That's what today is about. The decision that you've made to come together in this altar to love each other so that God sees your light in this world.
Dear Sal, I can't believe I'm writing this letter, so I want to share all the little things that made me fall in love with you.
Dear Kelly, when you ask me why do you love me, I can never answer. But what you don't know is all the reasons I do are going through my head. The most selfless, courageous, sweet, beautiful, supportive, loving girl is right in front of me asking this.
I want you to remember what got you here today. That journey, the first time that you laid eyes on this beautiful woman, you knew that today was going to take place.
The truth is that I have always looked up to Kelly. She may be sassy, that's for sure, but she is so confident and is always so true to herself.
You know, growing up with Sal, we weren't only brothers, but we were best friends. But that best friend title has now been passed to Kelly. This is why I'm so happy to know that he gets to spend the rest of his life with you. May you never lie, cheat, or drink. But if you must lie, lie with each other. If you must cheat, cheat death. And if you must drink, drink with us.